Hello traders, it's Tomek here from Nikos Trading Academy and welcome in my weekly Forex forecast. Before I start, I would like to invite you for my two free events which I organized this week together with the Trade Nation broker. And first webinar will be tomorrow and the second on Thursday. If you want to learn more details about this event, just below this YouTube video in the description, you will find direct link to this website, which I'm showing you right now. There you will, of course, find more information about these two workshops. Chas will tell you that this time I will focus on the day trading strategies. So I will show you how to trade on the 1 hour chart and the 5 minute time frame, of course, together with our top-down approach analysis, so we can prepare charts together for the lower time frame trade. Okay, so let's go to our forecast. So I still have same pairs like last week because we had opportunities last week to trade those pairs. So I wanted to show you exactly where we get our entries. Okay. So as first pair is Swiss franc yen, and as you can see, those are the lines from last week. We said last time that we would like to see breakout here or breakout here, and aggressively we can try to take trades to target for our chart 36 EMA and then this trend line. And then if price stacks here, we can trade in range. And what happened? We had breakout and we had really great setup to take short entries here. Okay, so after breakout of this support, the price made for us 4-hour chart short 1 to 3, so there was option to sell this on the 4-hour time frame. Okay, so this is profitable trade right now. Our stop loss should be above the 36 EMA if we want to trade this conservatively. If we want to trade aggressively, stop loss should be above the 12 EMA. Okay, so in this way, here we can maximize the profits. Here we can also maximize in case if price continue to go down. There are also other forms to manage this, but not for this video. So we had this nice entry here, profitable. And if we go to 1 hour chart, we also had 1 hour chart opportunity. As you see here, we have breakout and we have 1 hour chart 1 to 3 here, entry here, stop loss above. Yes, and with this around 80 pips stop loss, you see that you could achieve right now around 190. If you close, if it's too close, your stop loss was too close, you will be stopped out with the spike, but it was still really good good trade. Okay, so we had this 1 hour chart opportunity and 4-hour time frame. Okay, so we had this, so let's see what we can do next on this pair. We said last time that we would like to trade in the possible retracement, and this retracement is happening on the weekly chart. Where is our goal? Of course, the weekly 36 EMA together with the trend line and around with the support zone. So you can still have room around 200 pips for possible continuation of this down move. Okay. So what we can expect now, if you are in this trade, you can just leave your stop loss, and your goal is weekly level. You can leave your stop loss above the 36 EMA and then just simply wait, because price still might, create 4-hour chart short 1 to 3 and we will have continuation. Okay, if not, if we have deeper retracement, which still might be possible, then you will be stopped out. But what you can also do, you can also draw this trend line, because retracement can also happen on the daily. Yes, and then after daily retracement, because if we have daily retracement, you will be stopped out on the lower time frames. Okay, so then you can rejoin this, re-enter this if we have bounce on the trend line together with the 36 and signals to go short, and then you can sell this. And this is for all traders who are not in this trade. Okay, retracement on the daily, we look for short scenarios. If we go to 4-hour chart, exactly the same. Right now it will be a little bit late because we had setups here. We have set up here to enter, but if we have retracement back to the 36 EMA, and when we see that price is breaking this, we can try to sell this, ideally on the lower time frames, because we are really close to the support zone. But if the risk reward is okay, you can still try to take this on the 4-hour chart time frame. Okay, so this is what we can have. Or like I said, lower time frame combinations. And basically that's all. We are more interested right now to sell this. We see, and another thing, if we have situation that this is like a 1 hour chart 1 to 3, you can also still try this. Right now price is pushing up, so difficult to say. Yes, but if we have situation that this will be our 1 hour chart 1 to 3, we can, and we have breakout, you can also pay attention to sell this. Okay, so this will be like 4 hour chart with the 1 hour chart combination. But if price starts to go up, then of course you have to switch to 4 hour chart and wait for bigger retracement on the 4 hour time frame. So this is Swiss franc yen, EURCAD. EURCAD, we said last time about trades against main direction, and our goal was resistance, or with the main direction, and our goal would be support zone. Okay, so what happened? Price went up, retested 36, so we had like a false breakout here, and then again went down. Okay, so what happened here? We had opportunity to take this trade also. Yes, we had here 1 hour chart long 1 to 3, as you can see here. Okay, so entry stop loss around 50 pips, 550 price moved. If you trail stop loss on the 1 hour chart, you will be kicked out probably with this spike. So this was also nice trade to take. Okay, so we had this, and then if we delete all the lines, and we will see, okay, price went up, yes, reached the 36 EMA, but didn't break, and we didn't have continuation of this. And then if we start to draw our lower time frame trend lines, yes, we can try to focus and try to reverse the trades. Unfortunately, we didn't have. Yes, we had here this setup, as you can see here, but this was still around the 1 hour chart trend line, and also above the 4 hour chart 36 EMA. So this was not good setup for us. But if we have set up here, we could say, okay, here I took long, didn't work out, and now I focus to sell this, and then try to sell this and target support. And we didn't have setup, but price went exactly to our level, as you can see here. Okay, so you can also, on this example, you can see how strong are trends. Yes, that it's that's why I always repeat that it's always better to start to trade with the main direction than taking the trades against main direction. Okay, because we have there is more chance that we will get more winning trades. So what we have now on the EURCAD, so we have to adjust a little bit our level, because this might be the beginning of the range. Of course, if we go to weekly chart, our lines are still, here. You see that price retested 12 EMA right now. So because this is strong support, again, we can have, like another bounce, maybe retracement, yes, to this level, 36 trend line, or we will stay in this range here. Okay, for some range is also form of the retracement. Yes, so keep in mind about this. Or we'll have still breakout, yes, and then price might continue to go down. It's still possible. So there is a chance maybe that price will go to this level. Yes. However, we had this really strong move, so maybe I would like to see retracement, but right now everything is still pointing to sell. Okay, so if we go to daily chart, we have this. So basically, after breakout of the support zone, we can still sell this. It starts to look like a range, yes, because we have like a double bottom. Here we have strong resistance. If we draw trend line here, we will see that we have new line here, okay, or even we can draw it like this. Yeah, so we have new line here. So what can we also do here? We can try to trade against main direction and target what? 36 EMA, then trend line, and after breakout of this trend line, this resistance. Okay. However, keep in mind that this is aggressive approach. So what we can do right now, price is breaking our line. So we go to 1 hour chart, and right now 1 hour chart, it's a little bit too late because price is reaching 36. So we have like set up for sell this. But here, maybe on the 15-minute or 5-minute, we could try to look for setups, but there was nothing. If we have any setups here, then it was option for us to buy. So we have this 1 hour chart 1 to 3 right now. Okay, so what we can do, we can still sell this. Okay, we can still sell this on the lower time frame. So we go to 5-minute, and of course after 5 minutes trend line breakout, we look for short entries, target this. And if price continue to go down, but will not break this level, but will stop again, yes, and we'll have like, let me just delete the lines. We'll have situation like this, yes, that we had 1, 2, 3, price is going down, is retesting this, it's not breaking, it's bouncing. We can try to look for buy trades against main direction, okay? And then of course our goals are from higher time frame, so you can also draw this trend line, and after breakout of this trend line, you can take the trades against main direction. Keep in mind that our goal will be, of course, 4-hour chart 36 EMA first, together with this trend line, okay? So this is your goal in terms of the retracement. And when price breaks this, then we have better probability or better chances that price will go up to retest, you know, this daily level. Okay, so this is what we have right now. And we can also sell here. There is another option, but it will be more or less for intraday traders, if you like. If you see that price is not going down, okay? If it's not going down, we have a little bit of the resistance here. You can also try to buy here, okay? Buy here, and then this is your target, 60, 70 pips, okay? So this is also what we can do, but this is, again, trading against main direction. Using the CAD, this is a quite nice pair to show you how powerful are trends, okay? Because we still have continuation. You see, even after this, when we said that we wait for breakout, but this is late and setups, price broke this and went another 150 pips. Yeah, so that's why I'm saying on the EURCAD that if everything is pointing down, we can still have continuation, and we see on the weekly chart is still going down. But before I go to approach, let me show you our opportunities here. Okay, we said last time that we want to see breakouts to take trades against main direction and target levels from the higher time frame, or still breakout and try to sell this because price is pointing down. And we had breakout here, as you can see. We had this. We have retracement exactly to where? To our level, which is the 36. Okay. Entry, stop loss above around 40, 50, 40 pips, 35, 40 pips. Yes, we don't want to place too close. Yes, keep in mind. Always around 10, 15 pips above the 0.3. So around 40 pips, we wouldn't be stopped out with this false breakout. And now if you manage your trade on the 1 hour chart, you should have around 80, 85, maybe 90 pips locked profits. Okay, so it's also good. Really good trade, very late, but it's still, you know, if the trend is holding, we can even take the opportunities with the late entries. Okay, so what we have right now, our support was broken. Okay, so it's still pushing down. Let's try to look. Last time I drew the lowest point. Yes, this lowest point. But we are already around the support area still, okay? So you see, because we had the lowest point are our spikes, but this whole area is already support zone, okay? The previous one was here, and also here you will see that we had this spike here. So basically we are again around the support zone. So our approach will be exactly the same. We can expect some retracements to the daily 36 EMA, to this daily trend line. So we would like to trade against if we have at least this trend line breakout. Okay, so whenever price breaks this trend line, then you can try to sell. Buy this. Okay, you try to buy this because this will be more conservative. Of course, intraday traders can still try to take the entries right now against main direction, target this, but I'm not sure if there is enough room. It's possible after breakout of this, okay? But keep in mind that we had previously a lot of false breakouts. Okay, so we had a lot of false breakouts, so not exactly we'll have a same story, yes, but at least, you know, if this is your goal, maybe if this is false breakout, you can still achieve something. But here you can try, and of course, if price breaks this, you still look for short entries, okay? If you don't like to trade now those breakouts here, you can also wait for 4-hour chart, short 1 to 3, and then try to sell this and target this previous support if you prefer to get bigger retracements. Okay, so this is what we have on the New Zealand CAD. New Zealand yen, similar situation. Last time we said that we would like to see breakout. My trend line changed. Breakout here to take long scenarios, or breakout here to take short scenarios. Okay, so if you go to 1 hour chart, we had our breakout. Okay, entry, stop loss around 60 pips. Yes, first target would be hit, and if you manage this, you would be kicked out here. Yes, probably it was impossible to manage. Yes, we need to be honest. Yes, I don't want to tell you that you would trail your stop loss here. No, because probably if your two targets are hit around this zone, you will trail stop loss around the 1 hour chart 36 EMA. If yes, you will be stopped out with this. Okay, this happens, it's part of the game. But if you trail it on the 4 hour chart, because some traders also does this, yes, then you have right now it still be ongoing. We also had 4 hour chart entry here. Okay, entry, stop loss around 150 pips. Target now first would be hit, second not yet. Right now, if you enter here on the 4 hour chart, you should place your stop loss on the break even. Okay, on the break even, and then just wait. Okay, so this was also okay entry. However, close to the support zone. But if our goal, you know, was the weekly 36 EMA, it was still okay to take this. Now you see that price hit our 36. Okay, so let me just clean the lines. So we will see now what we have. We have this weekly trend line. Okay, we have right now support area here, yes, where price touched this. It also seems to be like a weekly long 1 to 3 right now, but we can still have this bigger retracement maybe to this level, to this trend line. Okay, so it's still okay to sell this, yes, as long as daily trend line is holding. You wait for the retracement, you sell this. Whenever price breaks daily trend line, you start to buy this again, because this is also weekly long 1 to 3, so we can go with the weekly momentum. So we go to lower time frames right now. Let me just adjust the line here. This is our 4 hour chart and daily line. Yes, so what we can do right now, we wait for the retracement. Let me just maybe go to 1 hour chart first, okay? Because market starts to move. No, it's going up, so we can go to 4 hour. So we wait for the retracement, okay? Now to the 36 EMA, or maybe higher to this, and we sell. Okay, you can still sell even if price reached our target. You can still sell this, definitely. And basically that's all. We need to wait. We sell, target support. If price breaks this, you take the longs. Okay, you take longs, and then of course our goal can be, you know, definitely this previous stop even. Yes, but we will see. Right now it seems that price maybe retrace, and we can look for short scenarios. And USD Swiss franc, still nothing, as you can see, about the retracement. It's still climbing up, very strong up move. Yes, again, we can adjust the resistance level. We have all our previous levels. Daily chart, really strong up move. 4 hour chart is pushing up. Yes, we have levels of the possible support zones, yes, where price might to react. As long as it's pushing up, you just look for some retracements and you buy this. If you want to sell this, at least wait for the, if you want to be more conservative, wait for the 4 hour chart trend line breakout and then sell this. And of course, your goal can be definitely daily 36 EMA. So it's okay. Lower time frames, if we are interested to sell, you can do this after 1 hour chart trendline breakout. Yes, you can try to sell this, but your goal again is here. Okay, and if price breaks this, perfect, you have nice trade. If not, you close your short entries, you again try to buy this and target resistance. If price breaks this resistance, you can still buy this. Okay, as long as it's going up, any retracement is option to buy. Of course, keep in mind that it's better to trade on the lower time frame simply because we have already around 700, almost 800 pip straightforward up move. Yes, but this is what we can do here. Okay, so guys, that's all for this week. I hope you catch some trades from last week. Again, I would like to invite you for this 2 workshops. Even if you are maybe not interested much, but you have some questions for me, you can also sign up so I can always answer them on the real and live charts. Okay, so just click the link below this YouTube video and you will get more information on this website. So guys, thanks a lot. Wish you a great trading week and see you soon. Bye.